welcome to Amarella Beach. Hello, nag-uniform palagi mo. Together with my friends from Russia, Alexei and Sergey, and me. I'm here. Hi. So from school we come here because we met long time. I've known Sergey since December 2022, and also we live near to the place that they rented. So yeah, we're here. See? Pet! Dagat! Are you happy? Say yay! Oh, why not happy? Not happy! Because they're in uniforms. They don't have swimming wear. Ligo na mo! Hubo taon niya! Dali! Wala ka pante? It's okay. Oh, where you want to stay? Where you want to stay? There. Because here it's noisy. It's a bit loud here.
Yes.
Come. Come here. Dali na. We can just stay here if you want. Or no. Here. Here in the beach there. In the coconuts.
Coconuts.
We will get coconuts. Mariela naman ito. Bawal lang. You want here? I know what to do. I take this. I'm making long form video for my YouTube. But I don't use internet. Later I will upload.
Yes, I understand.
Guys, this is Alexei. Say hello from Russia, my friend. Hi, Sergey. From Russia also, my friend. Okay, sit down, Sergey. Hi, Faith. Oh, you want to eat? They said, Mama, I want to take swim. Okay, go. Wait. Uy, magbuling ni mo bag na. Laban na po na to. Why, you want to rent? Expensive. You want to rent? Expensive. Maybe 500. You want to rent the house?
You want to rent?
That one I don't want because they will ask rent for the cottage. No good. It's okay here. No problem. You want to take swim? You want to swim? Or just chill? Kuhaan mo sinilas, Faith. Help me, Sergey, please. Kuhaan mo sinilas, Faith.
Майки нормально, чутко.
Kuhaan mo sapatos, Janela. Kuhaan mo sapatos because your shoes will be broken. Kuhaan mo sapatos. Kuha. Just, nana, prani Faith, tinira. Wow. Okay. Wait. Okay. Use this. Take that. You also, Alexei. Yeah. It's okay. You can use this. Okay. Sergey. Yes. Yeah. Please hold. Take for me. Video.
What?
Yeah. Record me 1 minute. 1 second. Hi. Hi, babe. Hi. I'm here in Amarella. Look, I'm wearing. This is not for beach. This is unplanned. We don't really plan to come here. I only go with my friends from Russia, Sergey and Alexei. So that's why we are here. Oh! It's broken. Sorry. So yeah, hello guys. Welcome to Amarela Beach and welcome to Libaong. Libaong Panglao, Bohol, Philippines. So this is our food. Show your food, Alexi. This is our food. That's their drinks. This is our food. Mm. Okay. Enjoy. And that is our beautiful view there. Wow. Wow. So this is my homeland of Bohol, Philippines. Anyway, guys, we have to enjoy now because it's already coming dark now. It's past almost 5 p.m., right? So, bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Please support my small channel in YouTube once again. Hello, and thank you so much from Ella Shakira, Philippines. Bye. Oh. Di ko na.